Avoiding debugging pitfalls.
While debugging is a critical skill for every developer, yet certain mistakes can turn simple bugs into hours of frustration. By recognizing these common pitfalls, you can streamline your debugging process, save time, and become a more effective problem solver.
Mistake 1. Skipping error messages.
Ignoring or glossing over error messages is a frequent misstep. Error messages often contain valuable clues about what went wrong. Read them carefully, understand their context, and use the information to guide your troubleshooting before changing code at random.
Mistake 2. Lack of reproducible steps.
Trying to fix a bug without clear, consistent steps to reproduce it wastes time. Document the actions leading to the issue. Reproducibility ensures you're solving the real problem, not just a symptom, and helps others assist you if needed.
Mistake 3. Making multiple changes at once.
Changing too many things before testing can make debugging chaotic. When you alter several parts of your code simultaneously, it's hard to spot which change fixed or broke something. Modify and test incrementally to keep the process clear.
Mistake 4. Poor use of debugging tools.
Not making full use of available debugging tools slows down the process. Tools like breakpoints, watches, and loggers can pinpoint issues quickly. Learning your environment's debugging features pays off in faster bug fixes.
Mistake 5. Overlooking version control.
Debugging without version control can compound problems. Version control systems let you revert to working code if new changes cause issues. Always commit before making significant edits so you can safely experiment and backtrack as needed.
Mistake 6. Not asking for help.
Struggling alone with a tough bug wastes valuable time. If you're stuck, seek a second opinion. Explaining the problem to someone else, even out loud, can reveal solutions you've missed. Don't wait too long before reaching out.
Mistake 7. Skipping code review.
Skipping code review can let tricky bugs slip through. A fresh pair of eyes may notice issues or patterns you've missed. Make code reviews a regular practice to catch errors early, learn new techniques, and improve code quality.
Making debugging easier.
By avoiding these 7 common mistakes, you'll debug more efficiently and confidently. Emphasize understanding error messages, work methodically, harness tools, commit changes wisely, and seek help when needed. Sharpening your debugging skills is key to becoming a better developer.